taken a metro, I already had reached right in front of the Big Ben Tower, but I was too jealous because I was just not ready to accept that there can be more beautiful monuments around the world and just not in India. However, accepting this, I went ahead and explored the city a bit more.
Oh, hello everybody. So since I'm in London, of course, how could I skip on showing you the Big Ben? So here it is. It is called the Westminster Metro Station, right in front of this one via which I came, and then in front of that we have London Eye. इसको बोलते क्या है? London Eye or Eye of London? What is it? London Eye. London Eye. Yeah. So London Eye. Okay, such a pretty place to be at. My curls, I'm just not liking them right now. It's not settling with my face frame at all.